Day beats night in their epic match. 38-37 it was a close fight. Trout got the game. Last 2 minutes.
Number 15. 17 seconds.
Maba pa oras, 70 pa yan, maba pa.
Number 17. 14 seconds. punta po sa gitna.
Night and day, punta po sa gitna. Lahat po ng naka-uniform na players natin. Napakagandang laro po, batch 80. Magkakaroon tayo ng isasabit natin yung gold medal with our batchmate Josepina Banyares and me, myself. No? Asan yung medal natin? Humitero muna kayo dyan. Ay, wala naman dapat i-ashamed kasi ang bigat ng laban, no? Halos dikit na dikit talaga. Talagang pinahirapan ninyo yung day. Mas bata ng 2 taon yan, pero hirap na hirap sa inyo. Ha? Oo. At kung tutusin, talo na nga eh. Nakachamba lang sa dulo eh. Teka, wala pa tugtog ba yung medal natin? Video mo. Meron po tayong isang gantimpala para sa second place or first runner-up. Pero ang champion ba si 80 pa rin? Hindi ko lang nadala yung trophy eh. Asa si Jo? Jo Banyares. Ay, di ka muna, Jo. Kita muna natin ang medalya to. Roma. Roma, paki-arrange mo nga sila. Natasakot. Ang baba.
Congratulations to the winners. Pwede pong pakiayos para organize tayo day and night for the awarding ceremony. Awarding ceremony, ano ba yan? May cash prize ba? Ay, taray. Tsaka medal, ayun ang mga medal, oh.
I don't ever slow up, no, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. Wanna play tough, wanna hate this, I don't show up.
I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement. I don't ever slow up, no I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play tough and wanna hate this, I'll always show up and make a statement.
Everything I do so instinctive and so passionate. Every word I move so descriptive like an adjective. I got a vendetta against people who got it. Being negative when you should be getting after it. I got facts over tracks. This and that, spinning slow, spinning fast. Off the road, smoking gas. Think I'm okay at last, but I don't know if that can erase all the past.
And the pettiness, a reflection of the emptiness. Hilarious, you think you're worth my time, you're delirious. Mysterious, because you hide behind a fake exterior. Inferior, you know I'll always be a bit superior. Get off of me, this ain't no humble brag. I want you to hear words you can say
pala ang ating mga day. Compliment ng ilang-ilang at ang ating kabatchmate na si Elvis Banyares. At ako rin, no? Yung mga bidalang yung tumihan, sponsor ko naman yan. Nagkakahalaga ng 20,000 isa niya kasi sasang-lasang ng bunting, pwede yan. So, eto na po ang 5,000 pesos para sa mga 9th student, batch 89. Ano masasabi ninyo sa naging liga na kasama ninyo ang batch 88?
Siguro pag-iigihin pa namin, medyo natataranta pa masyado eh. Kulang na kulang kami sa depensa.
Ano masasabi mo sa... Ngayon, pipili ako ng magagaling sa day, sa night, kakalabanin natin ang ibang batch. By February, ang makakampi na po ang day, night, saka day. Kumpanya tayo, day and night. Ang makakalaban natin iba't ibang batch, from 18 to 89. Magkakaroon na po, liga na to, kasi may 5,000 na po na. Thank you, batch 89, kakasama namin kayo. Picture. At sa Christmas party, andun po ang mythical vibe at saka yung trophy. May trophy po tayo napakalaki. 6 feet po ang trophy natin. Para sa... Hindi ko lang nadala, hindi nagkasis sa bali. Hindi, kala ko kasi mananalo night pero hindi ko dinala.
Hindi kasi binentry.